Can't stress enough, wear safety stuff. Alright, welcome back. Today we're gonna be working on the hinge. We're gonna cut this off, try to hammer it back down through, pull it apart, pull this one out, hammer it back through this. And then we'll spend some time cleaning up all the gouge marks and everything that we've done. And if we have enough time, we'll start the other one. But I was wanting to get them both kind of out before I go to my buddy's press. So we'll prep these, get these ready, and then I may drill out. Cause I got a cheap drill press there, but we'll use it and drill out that middle hinge. It's what directions say to, and then it should be ready to press. Yeah, I think I can come back over and start messing with that again. Try and keep going that way. May do a little bit, maybe not much today, because I'm gonna at least get this side braced right here, inside and out. So we'll take some time and clean that up real well and get it ready for a piece of metal we're gonna put in there. And that may be all I gotta have time out here to do. Let's go there and we'll start with the hinge first, see how far that goes. Hopefully it'll go well. And then we'll come back and try to brace this up. If we got time, we'll continue up there getting that all cleaned off. Let's get to work. Alright, we got the pins. I need to clean that. Anyways, got the pins pushed out. And I think we're almost ready to drill. Thinking that I may not have to drill this one out any, since the pin fits snug in there. So it'll go in. And this is kind of smaller, so it should push in okay, I think. Anyways, this is the other. Let's see how that just goes completely in. So this is one we have to drill and then press this bushing in, or push this through that, and should make it a lot tighter. I'm gonna see if I even have a drill bit to drill that, and we may try to drill this on both of them. But we're not gonna try that today. I may have to take it somewhere with a better drill press with a kind of a vise and make it sure it's all level and stuff before I go make a crooked hole with that thing. But I don't know if you've seen, but whenever I started to drill it, it just started bouncing around quite a bit. So I may have to take this somewhere, drill it, and press it. I don't trust my drill press to do a good job, but they do look shiny and nice. I'm gonna have to get in here and get that out. I'll do that here in a little bit. I think I'm going to call it a day because kind of gruesome, but I cauterized my finger on that. Wasn't watching where I was putting my hand, and you can tell there's a little bit of a chunk missing. Okay. Anyways, got that in there. I think it's all right. Seems stronger. Next time we may come back on this side. Where am I? Come back on this side and clean this up and do the same thing. Didn't get to any of that today, which I think was probably okay since that's all I've been doing. Can't stress enough, wear safety stuff. If you got gloves, wear them. I should have been wearing them and I wouldn't have had that mishap. But you live, you learn. Probably not the last time I won't wear gloves, but anyways, yeah, always wear eye protection, ear protection, and now I need to add hand protection. But next time we'll try to take the dash out. I gotta take the steering wheel off and the collar and all that stuff, and then I'll try to break these screws loose through here and pull it out and put it on here and get to fixing the back of it. Anyways, you made it this far. Thanks. It does mean a lot, like I say, and it does mean a lot to me. That's all I got for you. If you didn't know, I did make a Discord. It's like a chat room of sorts, I guess. But it's just ours for restoration. I think it's public where anybody can join, but you can catch me in there sometimes, you know, if you want to talk about something or tell me what I'm doing wrong. But anyways, check that out. That's all I got for you today. See you next time.